Yes, you can recover damages in the state of Texas from the driver and his employer for the injuries and damages caused by a negligent truck driver. The source of the income, where do you get the money from, is most likely an insurance policy bought by the company, the employer of the bad driver, that covers both the company and the driver. Sometimes what we see with large trucking companies or large companies with trucks, like say a Kroger or a Walmart, is they're self-insured, which means they have insurance, but it doesn't start to a real high amount, and most cases are covered by the company themselves. But yes, absolutely, if you've been injured by a truck driver in the state of Texas, you should seek compensation, and usually there's ample or plenty compensation available through these insurance policies.